Good morning, my viewers. Back at it again out here, and now people that have been following me probably realize or remember that this is where the addition to this mobile home used to be, right here, and I blocked it off. So now I had to put in some trim. Now I sort of, I don't know, made do with what I had, mainly because if you look down here, this is the trim that normally, this aluminum trim that comes with a mobile home of this age. And well, try to find that someplace. I mean, forget it. So you have to come up with something else. So now what I found out was that, see this vinyl siding, that's what this is really, it's just some vinyl siding. I was able to use the vinyl siding, and I just had to cut it to fit my purpose, and well, there it is. So I've got this all trimmed out, so I'm about ready to prime this mobile home here. I mean, but the first, what I got to do though is I have to do a little caulking. Okay, I have to caulk some holes that was made by who knows. Okay, now I've got a gash right here and a gash down here, and I've got some other little holes and gaps and gashes and whatnots throughout this entire mobile home here that I need to caulk up. Well, I thought I had my caulk gun with me, but I do not. So what I got to do here is get a caulk gun, and maybe tomorrow I'll go ahead and caulk it. One other thing I want to point out here that I need to do is right up here at the edge towards the roof. Okay, you'll see what is actually a gutter, or okay, this is a gutter, a mobile home gutter to be exact. Somehow or another I didn't quite get this clean enough, even with my, oh well, I'll have to go over it, I guess, with something. Whoops. Okay. Yeah, so let me get this cleaned up a little bit here. This gutter did not get as clean as I hoped it would, but okay. Anyway, this is called a mobile home gutter. Okay, and they're very common on older mobile homes. But yet, you go to a mobile home store, you know, where they sell mobile home parts, where they specialize in that kind of thing, and you explain to them you need mobile home gutters, they just look at you like you dropped out of space. Well, I was going to replace these gutters, but apparently I cannot. So I'm going to have to just fix what I got, okay, and go with that. So I'm using my tongs here to sort of, you know, bend the gutter kind of back into position here. Alright. Actually holding my camera and trying to do this job at the same time is not an easy task, but I just sort of showed you what I have to do here, just to sort of put this gutter back in. Because all the way down the line of this particular end of the mobile home, somebody had decided it would be best if they curled, or excuse me, took the curl out of the mobile home gutters for some reason or another. I don't know. Wasn't me, didn't know why, but either way, I'm putting the curl back in. Okay, so I'm going to do this off camera and show you what it looks like afterward. Alright, well there it is. I went ahead and put that curl back into that mobile home gutter. So, I mean, it certainly ain't perfect. Pretty far away from being perfect, actually, but there it is. I'll be able to form it up a little bit better when I put the sealer in and everything. Right now, I mean, the thing that was difficult anyway was all that tar that was in there. Trying to pick that stuff out, and that wasn't helping any. So we'll go from there.